Let's be honest, preparing and delivering presentations sucks. But with expert tips and tricks, your next presentation could knock the socks off your audience. Hello world, I'm Mike Ploger with Visme, a presentation tool on a mission to rid the world of boring presentations riddled with bullet points. That's why we're inviting you on our free and easy to follow presentation course that will not only teach you the basics of creating a compelling presentation, but show you how to get it done completely on your own with no prior design experience. Dive into valuable video lessons hosted by yours truly that will walk you through brainstorming for your presentation, finding the best fonts and colors for your slides, designing an irresistible slide deck, and delivering a show-stopping demonstration of your topic. Once you complete the course, you'll be awarded a certification you can add to your resume that helps you stand out as a certified presentation guru. Sign up for our completely free course today and start learning the strategies that the pros use. Go ahead and treat yourself to becoming a better presenter.
Warning, taking the Visme presentation course may cause drastic improvement in one's presentation abilities that may leave the audience wide awake and engaged. Other side effects may include increasing closing deals with investors, closing larger sales deals, expanding your network, and more. These claims have not been approved by the Global Presentation Organization.